Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here for a quick video to share a little gift that I'm giving my friend. This is her first time to the Scrapbook Expo. So I want to give her some gifts and things like that. So she is more of a junk journaler, so I got some items together for her. So let's go ahead, let's dig into this real quick. So I feel bad that I had used a sticker, but I was like, oh, this would be so cute to give her. So I just explained to her I used one sticker, but I want to give her this little cute little book theme. So I'm going to give her that sticker sheet. I've had this Erin Condren like check off, like I guess daily planning sheets for a while. So I'm going to give that to her as well. I gathered up a few Cocoa Daisy, what is it called? No, note pages. And I just put a variety in there for her. And then a little pen. I think this is like those Uniball pens. And then I have this paper that I've had for a while. I figured she could use that for her little journal. So there's a paper pad for her. And then these stickers I tore out of the Happy Planner sticker book. So I kind of tried to do like more earth tone type thing, earth tone style. So these flowers. What else? I wanted to say neutrals. That's what I wanted to say. These cute little birds. And she has boys, so she could probably do some projects with them as well. Here's some borders she can use. And then these pretty flowers. And this. And this was actually gifted to me, so I figure I have so much stuff, I thought it'd be fun for her. Like I said, she can journal and use this with her boys. And then I got her some little things, some little like pieces together. They're like little stickers. They're like faith stickers and then some wood veneer. So I just put in this little package from Cocoa Daisy. Some little, is it ribbon? Not ribbon. I trim. Some trim, yeah. And then I went ahead and giving her this. So a while ago I was doing a giveaway and the person didn't respond. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and give her this washi tape. I thought it'd be fun to just give her. I'm trying to gauge her style because she's a junk journaler. So I figure I give her like different types of things to try and just a bunch of fun ephemera and sticker sheet. So yeah, just different things here. I had printed these out from the Reset Girl. I never used them, so I thought it'd be fun to give her these cards and this. So yeah, just a modge podge of fun little goodies. And then some little ephemera. I probably just throw this little glue stick in there. I'm sure she has glue and stuff, but it's fun just to give it to her anyway. And repurpose this Cocoa Daisy bag that I've had. And then I had this little notebook in my stash. And then these cards are from the Planner Anonymous. I put a few little cute little cards in there. Then tons of Project Life cards. I just felt the colors just go really well. Let's flip through those real quick. You know, you get tons of these, so these are always great to share. I remember I had a friend years ago, she gave me tons of Project Life cards too. So it's always fun to get those types of things. And this is from Daiso, this little organizer. It's just an extra one that I had. Just this little piece of vellum. Some little papers, lined papers. Just pulled some out of some books. This was from a notepad. This was from like a little book. And then I had a notepad with 8x8. 8x8 paper pad. So I just threw some of those in there for her. I thought that would be fun for her to start out with. I know she probably has some things, but I don't know what she has. So I just figured this would be fun just to give to her. I'm so excited to give it to her. Then I had another 8.5 by 11 sheet. Yeah. And these were like the Joanne pads. I'm so bummed. I like these because they're thin so that you can put them in traveler's notebooks and different things, and it doesn't add a lot of bulk. And then I had this Chic Sparrow paper. I just thought it looked really nice. I'm so excited to give this to her. Actually, I think I'm gonna put some of these little bags in there. Stick that stuff in there. And then last but not least, so when I first went to the Scrapbook Expo, I had purchased a ticket and did an all-day crop, so I got a bag, but I also worked the workshop and got a bag. So I figure I will give her this extra bag that I have because they give it to us every year that we work. And then I'll put all her goodies inside. And then I even gave her some washi tape. And this is another little Daiso stored little carrying case. So, oh, let's see. So I gave her this. A lot of these are new, and there's a couple that are like barely used, but I gave her those. That one, wood grain, because I had duplicates of that one. This one has little bees on it. And then some more Cocoa Daisy. Well, this is Simply Gilded, and this is Cocoa Daisy. So just some leaves. I never use this washi, so I figured I would pass it on. I'm so excited to give this to her. I hope she likes it. And then last but not least, you know we can't go without giving a traveler's notebook. So I'm giving her this traveler's notebook. It's a neutral color. And then I'm giving her this book inside of it, and it is lined. So then she can journal in it, she can junk journal, whatever she wants to do. So that is what I'm giving my friend. I'm super excited. Can't wait to see her there. Hey friend, if you're watching. So y'all take care. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. And I will update you on a few things that I got from the expo. So y'all take care. Bye.